Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you guys the difference between the fake and the original Boya by M1 lapel microphone, and also show you guys how you'll know which is the fake and which is the original. So watch the whole video without skipping. You guys can see two boxes of this microphone. On the left it is the fake one, and on the right side it is the original Boya by M1 microphone. You guys can see there's almost zero difference on the front side of the boxes, but if you see carefully on the other sides, you will find some noticeable difference. So now, how you guys can understand which is the fake and which is the original Boya by M1 microphone? For that, you just have to download any code scanner from Play Store or App Store. And you can also do it with Google Lens. I am doing it with Google Lens. Open Google Lens. Then just scan the QR code from the box. You guys can see after scanning it is showing a website. Just go on that website. Give some time, it will automatically take the numbers from the box you guys can see. Then just click on the inquiry. So you guys can see this website shows that it is a fake product, and this is the official website of Boya, so there is no doubt. And now, after doing the same process to the other one, you guys can see the website showing us that the security code is scanned for 4 times, which is normal because I have scanned it 4 times. And when you guys will scan for the first time, you guys will see there's written the product is original. So this is the official process of checking the microphone. Now I will unbox the both microphone and show you guys the physical difference. With the fake microphone, you guys will get this user manual, and with the original one, you will find the user manual with a warranty card. You guys can see the printing quality of the user manual. You guys can easily identify the fake one by seeing the quality of the printing. And now you guys can see the carrying bag. You guys can understand what I'm trying to say. The fake one feels so much cheap and the logos are just, what I can say, just terrible. You will find all the same accessories on the both microphones. Now the microphone. There is no outlooking difference with the both microphone, but you will find some difference on the microphone head. You guys can see the clip holder is big on the original one, and there's also little difference on the holes. Now let's check the audio quality. Hey guys, now I am recording this audio with the original Boya-M1 microphone and this audio is not edited. Hey guys, now I am recording this audio with the duplicate or fake Boya-M1 microphone and this audio is also not edited. None of this audio is edited, so you guys can understand the difference. The fake microphone sounds bad and the quality is just bad. So this is it. I hope you guys understand the video, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask me on the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, just give a like. Thanks for watching. My name is Rahi and this is Rahi's Karma. See you in the next one.